In today's video, I'm going to show you new how to create Douyin account, a Chinese TikTok sign up tutorial. Creating a Douyin account currently is slightly different from signing up for TikTok because Douyin is the Chinese version of the app and is designed to comply with local regulations. To start, you need to download the official Douyin app from the Chinese App Store, like the App Store if your region allows, or a trusted APK source for Android. I don't have it, but it should look like this. The international TikTok app will not work for a Douyin account. Once installed, open Douyin and tap the sign up button. You'll be prompted to enter a Chinese phone number to receive an SMS verification code. If you don't have one, you can use virtual numbers that support Chinese verification, but make sure they are reputable, as Douyin actively blocks disposable numbers. After entering the verification code, you can create a username and set a password. Unlike international TikTok, Douyin also asks for your region and age to comply with local regulations, so input those details accurately. After account creation, you'll have the option to link other social accounts like WeChat or QQ for faster login in the future. You can also adjust your privacy and content settings to control who can follow you or see your videos. Douyin's interface will appear in Chinese by default, but you can switch some menus to English in the settings if needed. Finally, to start posting, tap the plus icon, select your video or record directly, and apply filters, effects, and music just like TikTok. Keep in mind that Douyin has content rules specific to China, so avoid content that violates local guidelines, as accounts can be restricted or banned. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.